shorts. I feel like I'm a short person. Not short person like that. I'm just like a short person. So I was on stage performing and I started smelling someone's hair burning. And I was like, whose hair is burning? The whole time I didn't know it's my hair they had burned. Okay, a business day might start later than other people's business days because my business day ends late at the end of the day. So I look at waking up. I'm not an early riser. I don't want to lie to anyone because we sleep late. Sometimes we stay the whole night in the studio. So when I get up, really what I do is journal. I just like to write my thoughts down. I stay at home a lot. I don't really move from my place. So I write my thoughts. Try to work out sometimes when I feel motivated and yeah, get back home because I live in my studio. I'm actually a home person. I don't really like leaving home. In Rwanda, only one? Like 3? Okay, so even 3, it's actually a trick question, huh? I have to say in terms of work and the people that I respect, and I would be hypocrite if I didn't mention Bruce Melody in terms of what he has achieved and where he's gotten as a person and what he actually just represents in the whole music industry. Apart from that, I'll go with rappers, you know, Kenny K-Shot, Ish Kevin. But I want to put on this kid. It's called Dice the Prince. Everybody, you should go check out Dice the Prince. Yes, he's a good kid. I can tell you about this one, yeah? It says underdog, under God. It's just self-explanatory. Like, as I was saying, when we came up, they used to like call us the underdogs, Jabjana type, you know? But this one is underdog, under God. I just changed the 2 letters. So it's like the underdog that's actually under God, like guided by God and everything. It's embarrassing. I can't say it on camera. I want that I can tell, yeah? So there's a time I was performing on stage. You know these guys that do fire things? Like they bring fire things, yeah? So I was on stage performing and I started smelling someone's hair burning. And I was like, whose hair is burning? The whole time I didn't know it's my hair they had burned. So I was on stage performing with actually burnt hair on this side like this. I can never forget that. In Rwanda, I don't watch a lot of football, but I watch a lot of basketball. And for now, my favorite is Apel. Favorite music instrument, it has to be a piano. And this is why. A piano can be played in very many different ways. A piano can be used to play guitar, everything else, you know, so it's like the ultimate instrument. Can I play? I can play the guitar, but the piano I'm still learning to, yeah. Shorts, 100%. Shorts all day, every day, yeah. I love shorts. I feel like I'm a short person. Not short person like that. I'm just like a shorts person. The one thing that I'm proud of is people that actually support me, because that's why I don't call them fans. I call them my supporters because they could just decide to go and support someone else, but they decide to support me. So those are my like trophy. Even if we don't win any awards, as long as I know I have those people, and those people are the ones doing all the job actually. So yeah, much love. Visit Jamaica. I want to see where Bob Marley came from. I'm a very good comedian. Yeah. You see, you guys don't even believe it already. But yeah, I'm a very good comedian. I'm starting a career very soon. Rusine should look out.